Okay, so I really normally don't do videos around subscribers' comments, but these are just too funny. I just had to do it. So yeah, Transformers in a nutshell, new series, Sons of Unicron edition, EnderSage edition, yay, I guess. Decepticons, Sons of Unicron, we must destroy the Autobots, the Fire Brothers. We will do it with a powerful, edgy songs. Wake me up inside. I can't wake me up inside. Same. By the way, I had to change some of these to make them more funny, so hopefully you like them. No offense, EnderSage.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
You know what? No, go back to the original.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad 'cause I'm brown.
I'm the only serious character in this band. That is the joke. Hey guys! D, are you okay?
Just hit that first beat hard. You cruising down the street.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
Hey, that was dope, eh?
3 days later.
Yeah, I will totally join your band, man. Yeah, boy! Because that's all I ever said. Where's my bigger door? I need a much bigger door than this, damn it! So I'm like a shattered glass Prime RC, right?
I hate cheap knockoffs.
You die! You die! You die! You all die! Time to make those videos. The power of our song is strong enough to beat you. Now, let's go with something more heavy.
Mate, stop playing, it's time to rock.
Together with each other, what we can do. We found strength that we never knew. You've given me a reason to push on.
No one's gonna give something to us. Into each other.
Edgier.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and say.
For the last time, Megatron, we are not making the song Wake Me Up, the Sons of Unicron's theme, mate.
I can already tell we won't be getting along.
Yeah, I'm Super Kami Sideways, and one day I will take over the Fire Brothers channel, then YouTube, the world, then the universe. Nothing will stop me, nothing will split me. I will be everyone's favorite Decepticon.
Damn, I'm good.
Hey, just for fun and to make this video a whole lot longer, I'm gonna add some of mine. So, my personal thoughts on the band of the Sons of Unicron. Here it is. Psychopathic motorcycle, a fangirl, a war tactician who's not even a singer, a bounty hunter, a gangster, an edgelord, a psychopath, a sociopath, a giant robotic freaking dinosaur. I actually kinda had nothing for Diablo, so you guys can come up with something. I don't know. I'll paint your comment, I guess. Well, anyways guys, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, all that usual jazz.